present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
Life itself. Think about moments in your life when you felt in love with life. When you saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And you, for a moment, realized how simple life is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. What was there? Oh, that one right there?
Yeah.
I'll go over there. I don't like
That's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That
was
what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the bag. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no!
I'm gonna get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm gonna call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sad.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. They deserve it.
You could left turn here.
I know that, Ross. Hold on. Give me a second to get over there. Whoa.
I think we need to pull over.
What did I get?
A red or an orange, whatchamacallit.
I think I'm all right.
A lot of license plates out there, but the trick is getting one with a number that's good, because a lot of them, they're just been reused. But they're out there.
I'll check.
What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh, yeah. That'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you should, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
It's a harrowing experience.
Oh, Salazar told you about the wreck.
You didn't have to, I knew. You are not the first to founder of Shipwreck Island.
This is Shipwreck.
Yes, and the most amusing spot, I guarantee. Now, if you will follow Salazar, he will show you to your room and catch some breakfast. Sleep the day through, my friend, and tonight we'll sail.
Oh my.
Autos and bananas. Oof, what the heck?
Let's make an ooh sound.
Oh, shh.
Don't hit us.
What the?
Jesus Christ!
From the skull has been removed shortly after Stan's disappearance. The state police determined that
The person that in the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh! Oh! Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this mother driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my god! Wow.
Again, ini jalan ini peryakilan. Lagi nih, bahasanya ya.
There lies a long shadow. The tower trembles.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white woman who in actual trunks, like the smell doesn't get in as much.
Jesus! Man, get off the... Holy sh... See, sorry, I won't be able to see that on the camera.
Sending that to Dashcam Nation. Jesus, criminally. Oh my God.
Do you get the sense that the Chinese government will listen to you? Do you imagine there will be any change in Russia?
God damn it! You
At the highest levels in my meetings that the United States will not tolerate emergency video.
Look out. Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
I'll call the cops, don't worry. I'll call the cops, don't worry.
It's your fault.
Garmy, hey Garmy.
Here's the rub with that. Because Dungeons and Dragons doesn't make any sense, there are no large beasts. So what I'd like to do is, elephants are technically a size above large, but I'd like to use elephant stats and say they're large creatures for the purpose of our operation. That is fine. Okay. So here are the stats. So how many people is it? Yeah, no, you ended up with about 100 people. And so basically how this works, this is like when I do wild shape. So they get these hit points on top of their normal hit points. And so like when they get to 0,
clue. Oh, look at this mother.
Video protected.
944758. What's your problem, dude?
What's the problema?
You don't know how to drive?
No, I know drive.
Okay, give me your info then.
You hit me.
I hit you. You're the one that went to my lane.
Why you don't say nothing with
you
the
got this one and you got this one. So you got there's no argument. There's no argument, brother. Give me your info. Give me your info. I'm gonna call CHP as well.
Which one? What are you talking?
California Highway Patrol.
Okay. Hold on.
Move up a little bit. Idiot.
Autopiloted onto the freeway going to Jitson. I was like, holy, gotta go the whole opposite direction right now.
What the
Good job.
Jesus.
And
Now
now
you're just
gonna
take your time. Take your time, bud. Take your f***ing time. Take your time. Take your time, bro. You didn't even stop at the
I got
stop.
a camera. Let's go. I'm not threatening you, stupid.
We said
just
time.
go. Park your car. What are you talking
Then
about?
learn how to drive it properly.
Dumbass.
Then actually learn how to drive
You
it.
cut me off.
Get the here. Yeah, we have you on camera.
I got
Running
the
the
camera.
stop sign, jackass. Yeah, that's what I'd do too. I hope that cop saw your ass. He did too. Okay, Garmin. Safe.
I got that on camera.
Video.